to give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. So let's get to it. And today we're going to be making ice cream out of Play-Doh. This is a box, and I don't know how it fits in the tiny box, but that's how it goes. So let's.
So what's this? What's this?
So it's an ice cream machine. So this is the blend of the ice cream machine that you pour the ice cream down and like the basic stuff. Okay, let's just open it.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi.
How's it going?
Let's open this.
Let me see. Okay.
Wow. Okay, the blender is very small. Yeah, Play-Doh. And this is also a different language, so who cares if? And this is the map.
This is what we get. So we have the ice cream, which is the dough.
Yeah.
Right. And then we have the compressor.
Yeah. Oh, I think you have to put the Play-Doh inside. Then you do this.
But before we continue, Ryan, what's this?
A Play-Doh machine.
What's this?
Play-Doh right here.
This is a Play-Doh ice cream machine.
Yeah, Play-Doh.
Say it again.
Hold on 1 minute.
Say it. Play-Doh ice cream machine.
Okay, I think I know what to do. You have to put the Play-Doh inside, then you put this here. Once you put that, you squish it.
So we're gonna do one for Timmy, one for Ryan, okay?
I want to be the yellow one, and I can help him with this. You just need a tip of it.
Put it here. Put the Play-Doh here.
I can help you. Oh, good. What? Well, this one. Okay, I will put. Yeah. Is that enough? No, we need more. Yeah, wait. We need more. No, I just. Okay, now it's my turn. It's my turn. No. Now I'm gonna mix the yellow, and now I'm gonna do an extra stream. Okay, let's give me the pink. I need some pink here. Yellow. I probably overstuffed it.
It's coming. It's coming.
Ooh, some ice cream. I don't have any chocolate, so I only have strawberry and banana, but that stinks. And pink. But we have to wait for like 15,000 minutes. But
Strawberry and lemon.
yeah. I don't know why this corner is there, but that must be, oh yeah, look at that. Let's see. There's still some, there's still more, there's still some ice cream inside. Squish, get inside, bro. I think I overstuffed it.
Ryan, what's this? A Play-Doh machine.
Yeah, a Play-Doh. I'm finished with the ice cream. Now we'll put the toppings. So let's do it. I am gonna put the little thing here, which is I don't know what that is. So I'm just gonna do it and put it on, and then take it off. Look at that! And then we stick on the ice cream right here. Then I can put some more toppings. I am going to put the big gummy bear next. I like a gummy bear. I am yummy, tummy, funny like a gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. It's on the gummy bear. Ta-da! My ice cream. It's my turn. I'm gonna eat my ice cream while I'm gonna wait my ice. Yeah, do this. Yeah, do that. I do the cone.
Yes. Oops, oopsie. Okay, let me do it for you, Ryan. Go push. Push.
Wow. What the
The
flavor?
ice cream is coming.
This is
Ice cream is
cool.
coming.
want the ice cream right here. I want the ice cream. Don't forget the toppings, yeah. Ryan. And probably for like candy. White candy. I'm simple white candy. I got the cone, so you cannot use the cone. You only use this. Use this. Use this. Okay, you enjoy your ice cream while I do mine. My turn. Yeah. Okay, this time I am gonna do.
Does it taste like strawberry ice cream?
Yeah, it's liquid. I'm gonna put the tiny pieces first. We're doing it outside, guys, because inside will be so messy. So we're doing it outside.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Is it strawberry lemon ice cream?
Yeah. It's strawberry. What does strawberry and lemon?
You wanna eat it with the spoon?
Oh, strawberry and lemon next to chocolate. Next to chocolate. Okay, now I'm gonna put the ice. Now I'm gonna put the cone. And
we have a cone here, Kami.
And my ice cream. Look at that! Look at that! Yummy! I'm gonna put the toppings on too. Okay?
Sounds great.
I think there's no more. There's still more, so I have to put. Probably run at the end of the video. I am. Look at that! Look at that! Okay. Look at that! That's all. Look at it. Okay, let's see if I can do the orange now. Look at it! I have extra ice cream toppings. Bean? I hate beans. Here.
Wow, that's a big ice cream.
Yeah, because I am extra sugary.
Ryan?
I'm gonna have a million toppings on my ice cream.
Alright. Ryan, how was it? The ice cream? Does it taste good? What the flavors?
Chocolate chip cookie.
This chocolate chip cookie, no.
Bye everyone. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe and support us. And now.
Alright, Ryan, what we have at the end? This is your ice cream? Let me see. Let me see the ice cream you have.
Chocolate chip cookie.
Chocolate chip cookie? Okay, what do you mean?
I got chocolate chip ice cream.
This is not chocolate chip ice cream. That's a strawberry and lemon, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now it is time to win! Hi, vlog, if you're and subscribe and support us on YouTube. So now we're finished.